everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project. And today I thought I'll share with you a recipe that's super fun and delicious. It's a potato sandwich. Yeah, it's a potato sandwich. It's carb on carb, because why not? So let's get cooking. I'm gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of oil to my pan. Now that my oil is hot, I'm gonna add some green chilies, a little bit of ginger, and some onions. And I'm gonna cook this until the onions turn a little brown and translucent. Now this looks good. At this point, I'm going to add some cilantro and around a teaspoon of turmeric powder and just give this a quick mix for about 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna just crush my boiled potatoes with my hands and throw it into the pan. And okay, this is the fun and the hard part where you need to make sure there are no lumps in your potatoes. I'm gonna add some cilantro and salt my dish really well so it doesn't end up being bland. And I'm gonna finish off with a squeeze of lemon. And now it's time to make our sandwiches. Yay! I'm gonna spread my potato mixture onto my slice of bread. To my pan, I'm adding a vegan butter substitute. Feel free to use coconut oil, but this just tastes amazing. And place it onto the pan and let that side get all golden and crispy. I'm also gonna add a little more vegan butter on top of the potatoes so that when I flip it, the potatoes also get a nice golden color. It should take about a minute or so on each side on medium-high heat. Another version I like to make is I also like to spread either some ketchup or some sriracha onto my slice of bread before I add the potato mixture, so it gives an additional layer of flavor. So feel free to do this if you want that extra kick to your dish, but it also tastes great plain. And that looks great. And you can serve it with some sriracha or any other hot sauce. So that was my vegan and gluten-free potato sandwich. Again, it's optionally gluten-free. It's just because I have gluten sensitivities. If you don't have any, feel free to use any bread of your choice. As you can see, this recipe called for extremely simple and inexpensive ingredients. It just goes to show that you don't need to break the bank to have a delicious vegan meal. So let me know how you enjoyed this dish, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye.